Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Crypto Insider. If you're into my channel, do well to subscribe, and if you've been watching my videos, thank you. So I'm telling us about the Kernel DAO Binance Megadrop. So you've been doing a Binance account and you have to verify your Binance accounts and open and create a Binance Web3 wallet. So create the wallet, set your seed phrase, save your seed phrase, and fund it with at least $8 to $9 to be able to participate in this airdrop. So follow the next steps. Do it to subscribe and join my Telegram channel, and I'll be showing how to stay locked in for this airdrop. We'll have just 4 to 5 days to mine this airdrop. Assets, can over there up can click on wallet. So once you click on wallet, it's going to open your Binance Web3 wallet. And then once it does so, endeavor to set up your account and fund it from any exchange from your Binance. You can click on receive and copy the BSA address and fund it with at least $9 to $10 for you to be able to do this airdrop. So you can come over to complete quests. You can scroll up, come over to complete quests to join Binance Megadrop. So just click on join now. Once you click on join now here, this is the next phase. So this is the Kernel DAO. So there's 40 million Kernel as rewards. This started today on the 9th and it's going to run till the 14th. So we basically have roughly 5 days to do this, which today is already off. So distribution is in 4 days. And this is how long you can lock your BNB. So the longer your BNB is locked, the more your score. So over here you can get to see the project information. So quest reward hard cap per user. So each user is expected to get at least 320,000 Kernel currently, but I think as most people join, it's going to reduce. So we can go ahead, you can click on start quest. If you start space, you can see currently you have to verify before it ends, and you can see there are just 372,000 participants. So this is the instructions. I'll be sending this to my Telegram channel, which will be in my description. So you can see you have to transfer 0.013 BNB at least, and you have to have a gas fee of 0.003 BNB to your Binance wallet. It has to be keyless, and it has to be through the BSC network. So once you are done with this, you have to go and verify. So to endeavor that you have enough gas fee to pay for this staking. So click on start now. So make sure that your Binance app is up to date, else it's not going to work. So update your Binance app before you start this. So click on start now. So this is the Kernel DAO site. So you can see you can stake ASBNB and BNB. If you have BNB, you just have to swap to ASBNB in the Binance Web3 wallet for it to work. But if you have BNB, just click on stake BNB. So I've already connected my wallet, but if you click on stake BNB, you're going to have to connect your Web3 wallet here. So if you click it, there'll be a pop-up, and then you get to connect your Web3 wallet. After that, you get to impute the amount of BNB you want to stake. So clicking it right here, the minimum is 0.013, 0.0135. So I'll be taking 0.0135, which is equivalent to $7.86, and this is the gas fee that will be required. So click on deposit. So this is the amount. So it's waiting, it's loading token limit approval, and so I'm going to have to sign in. So I'm going to have to sign this transaction for it to work. So confirm. So you can see success deposits is already deposited. This amount is remaining. So we're going to have to go back and verify this and make sure that it has worked. So we're going to have to proceed to verify this. As you can see, they've already debited me. So click on join now. So let's click on verify for us to verify that this transaction has worked. You can see task completed. Okay. So you can see task completed, and you can see, so you have to click on verify twice if you've not done this before. So see, stake with Kernel DAO, you can see completed over here, and you can get to good job, you've completed this quest and passed the verification. So I think that's all for the Kernel DAO Binance Megadrop. So endeavor to do this and endeavor to get to this page and verify. You can see the verification message. Thank you guys for watching this video. Endeavor to subscribe to my channel and do to join my Telegram community, which will be in the description, so you can get crypto alpha such as this. See you next time.